Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we will focus on foundation and how to make your foundation look like skin every day. If you apply foundation on daily basis, so you want your foundation to look as natural. Let's begin with the tutorial, and if you're new here, take a moment to subscribe and follow. Foundation application totally depends on if you're staying indoors or outdoors. It might look different indoors or different on outdoors. Never underestimate the power of skincare. To make your foundation look smoother, you need to reduce bumpiness from your skin. For that, you need to do your CTM properly, according to your skin type. I have done my CTM and starting off some exfoliation using this Forest Essential scrub. You immediately see a difference in the skin. It's glowing and clean. Next step is to apply moisturizer, and the one I'm using on daily basis is this NIVEA cream. Good for this weather. You can use any one you like according to your skin type. I'm just pressing that moisturizer onto my skin and giving a 2-minute massage. Next is to apply primer. Never ever skip primer. Personally, I like hydrating primers, but yet sometimes for wrinkles, lines, I use this Benefit Pearl POREFESSIONal primer, as it will give a very smooth finish to my foundation. It helps to make your foundation stay in place. I'm focusing on fine lines and wrinkles and pressing into those areas. It mattifies and filling in those lines and smoothing out every place. It has a peachy undertone, so it also helps in some color correcting too. Using Fit Me foundation for my base and spreading it with my fingers all over the face. You can use sponge or brush too for the application. Taking this Swiss Beauty concealer on the desired areas where I need a little more coverage. The shade I'm using is just a shade lighter than my skin tone, and spreading it with the fingers again. You can see I am using fingers for my most natural coverage ever. Setting my base with a mattifying powder. You can use any loose powder too, pressing onto my fine lines, smile lines, and everywhere where I feel my concealer crease. You can use a setting spray too, that is totally optional. That's pretty much it. This is how my foundation looks on daily basis, as natural as possible. You can still see some uneven skin or darkness on some areas. It's totally normal. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow for more such videos. Bye.